In the year 1947, inside a bustling engineering laboratory at Harvard University, a group of dedicated technicians is hard at work on their groundbreaking computer project. Dressed in crisp white lab coats and surrounded by massive, intricate machines, they are oblivious to the small but critical disturbance occurring within their equipment. As the engineers delve deep into the mechanics of this innovative computer, one technician pauses, her eyes narrowing at the flickering lights. She recalls the importance of solving any malfunction and begins to inspect the relays more closely, embodying the intense focus of a pioneering spirit in the post-war technological boom. With a sudden flicker in the machine's performance, the team gathers around as one engineer delicately extracts the moth that had unwittingly caused their computer to malfunction. This serendipitous moment marks not only a humorous incident, but the birth of the term computer bug, symbolizing the quirky challenges engineers faced in their quest for innovation. As they successfully restore the machine's function, the atmosphere explodes with joy and laughter, highlighting the bonds formed in their relentless pursuit of progress. News of their unique discovery ripples through the tech community, revealing how even the smallest incidents can lead to monumental changes in the history of computing. In a grand conference room buzzing with anticipation, an engineer takes the stage to recount the quirky tale of the moth and its unforeseen implications for computing. The audience, composed of industry trailblazers and curious journalists, leans in, recognizing that this is not just a story, but a pivotal moment that will echo through the ages, reshaping how we understand technology. Decades later, the echoes of that whimsical discovery resonate in today's cutting-edge laboratories, where complex algorithms and sleek designs shape our everyday lives. The simple act of removing a moth from a machine laid the groundwork for an industry that now drives innovation, connecting humanity in ways once considered unimaginable.